Hey startup founders, struggling to choose between Pilot and Bench for your bookkeeping? Let's break it down in 2 minutes. First, what each offers, then a quick comparison to help you decide. Pilot is a bookkeeping service tailored for fast-growing startups. It uses QuickBooks Online for seamless integration with payroll and tax tools. Pilot defaults to accrual-basis bookkeeping, ideal for scaling businesses, and offers advanced services like CFO, consulting, and R&D tax credits. Pricing starts at $599 a month, but can get pricey for smaller budgets. Bench is designed for small businesses and solopreneurs. It uses proprietary software and focuses on modified cash-basis bookkeeping, perfect for simpler finances. Bench offers tax preparation add-ons and starts at $249 a month annually, making it more budget-friendly. However, it lacks advanced features like inventory tracking. So how do they stack up? Here's the comparison. Pilot shines for startups eyeing growth, especially with complex needs like invoicing or investor reporting, thanks to its accrual method and QuickBooks integration. Bench is better for early stage or small businesses with straightforward finances, offering affordability and simplicity. However, Bench's proprietary software can make switching bookkeepers tricky, and Pilot's higher costs may not suit pre-revenue startups. Choose Pilot if you're scaling fast and need robust features. Go with Bench for low-cost, simple bookkeeping. Pick based on your growth stage and budget. Got questions? Drop them below. Like and subscribe for more videos.